Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Rivaldo, good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
Kendi, good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Fortunate, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Marope. Good afternoon, Rivaldo. Lucia, good afternoon. Musibudi, good afternoon. Prudence, good afternoon. Kensani, good afternoon. Ntaviseng, Pindile, Priti, good afternoon. Another Priti, Nkanyane, Blessing, Jude, afternoon. Karabo, Phineas, Lesiba Karabo, good afternoon. Stephen, Raymond, thanks. Yes. Mohati, thanks. Yeah, thanks. Thanks. Oh, thank God. Monday, good afternoon. Oriel, good afternoon. Osinati, September, good afternoon. Marcus, Prevents, Sacramento, Silence. Timoso, Tapelo, Zumbedzo, Tutu. Good afternoon. Today we are doing exercise 3. As I said, I thought we'll do that exercise. I thought we'll do tutorial 1 and tutorial 2, because if you check the tutorial number 1, sorry, exercise 1 is having a repetition or replication, sorry, replication that will postpone it to next week, and also is having the results of interaction, where you have to test the interaction. Then we are not going to do that because Blessing was saying he was tired in class, and if he was tired, he can't solve this ones. Maybe he needs some time to go to his room and do other things. Then we'll do we'll do this exercise of gender and of caste. If we can do that one of gender, this one of car, you can do it at home. Now, that is what you have to do. I'll be listening to you. That is that. If you have a question, then you can raise it. Then we do this one of gender. We start with gender. Then if you're having a question, then you may raise it. Thank you very much. Any question? Any question?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I think you forgot to post the slide.
I forgot what?
To post the slides.
The slides.
Yes, the one you were using today up to page 38. Let 38 or 39.
38.
Yes, it's the ones
Karab,
on
what are you talking about? Karab, what are you talking about?
the ones you were using today when you were teaching.
Yes, I managed to send them on Blackboard.
They
Part
are on
part B.
Blackboard.
Karabu.
Okay, sir. Maybe I just refreshed the Blackboard, so they're there. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Continue to solve. The first thing that you must do is find ANOVA table. That is the first thing. Before you can do the model one and check the pairwise and so forth. Solve model one. The ANOVA table. Do you agree with Edwin? Do you agree with Edwin that SSTO is 318? Okay. Then do you agree with him that SST is 24.5? Okay, okay. Then do you agree with him that SSB, say what is our block? Yeah, I'm asking you, Edwin, Edwin, can you assist us? Edwin or Fortunate? Fortune, you said yes, you agree with him. Fortune, say I just joined. Which question? Blessing. You say blessing, life is very short. Shorter than me. Blessing, life is very short. The class starts at 3. That is what I said. I said 3 o'clock we are starting. You come. Yeah, yes, Candy. Yes. Yeah, Candy times is our blocks. Amen. Times is our blocks. And gender, it's our treatment. Gender is our treatment. That means it's like students given to do test scores, then that is gender. Then they have different times that which they wrote the tests so that we can get the test scores. The others wrote at 6 a.m., at 9 a.m., and 12, and so forth and so forth. That is that. Blessing, the one that you see is the one that we are doing, the one of gender and times. Yeah, thank you very much. Lisiba, Karabo. Yes, okay. Now, let's continue. I was just asking you, the sum of error, he said is how much? Let me see. The sum of error is 110.5. Do you agree with him? Do you agree with him? Okay, then what will be the value for F for the treatment? Then you can write down. Edwin, it's like you are giving people answers. Right answers, the F ratio, and yeah, continue working, then we'll talk.
Sir,
Yes. Ronaldo.
our block is not gender.
No, our block is not gender. Our block is times. The scores for male and female at different times. Okay. Edwin, what about F for block? That one is for treatment. What is that? Is F for gender? I want F for block. Okay, thank you. Do you all agree with Edwin? Do you agree with Edwin? Okay. Then what is the critical value for treatment and critical value for block? Then, since you are done doing the ANOVA table, now use the model one to test for the treatment and also for the block. And then you tell me the conclusion. The test for the model one, which is the fixed effect, where you test the treatment, the means of the treatment, and also the means of the blocks. Then you tell me the conclusion. Are you going to reject under the treatment or fail to reject? And what is the conclusion? Are you going to wait a bit, Candy? Hey, Candy, wait. Hey, Candy. Hey, Candy. Yeah, just wait, Candy. Wait a bit. Then you tell me whether you're going to reject the treatment. You just write on the chart treatment rejected. Then this is the conclusion. Then blocks rejected or fail to reject. This is the conclusion. Thank you very much. Let's work on it and let me know. Do you agree with Edwin and Oriel? But I'm still waiting for blocks. Oriel and Edwin, I'm still waiting for blocks. But let me ask the class, do you agree with them on the conclusion? Do you agree with Edwin to say we fail to reject? Let's start there. Do blocks, okay. We fail to reject, okay, and we are saying the block is not. Do you agree with Oriel? Oh, they are saying yes, yes, yes. Candy, yeah, Candy. Because not, yes. We are saying we failed to reject H naught. The blocks was significantly statistically effective. Do you agree with Edwin to say the blocks are effective or blocking was not effective? Felicity, Felicity. Tsumbedzo, Tsumbedzo. Yes. Tsumbedzo, what do you think? Tyrone, 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 chance. What is the conclusion on blocks? Do we fail to reject H naught? The blocking was statistically not significant, not effective. Now, let's go to number 2. Is it appropriate to perform the pairwise comparison for the test scores of means? Okay, you are forgiven, Edwin. You are forgiven. Then what is number 2? Is it appropriate to perform the pairwise? No. Yes, pretty. Yes. No. Yeah. No. Because we fail to reject H naught. Yes, Oriel. Yes, Oriel. When I'm saying yes, I don't mean the answer is yes. I'm just saying those ones who wrote here, I agree with them. But not those who said no. You must give a reason. Give reason for your answer. There are many reasons. One, Oriel said we failed to reject H naught. The second one is that the treatment, okay. Anyone? Anyone? I must, because this is not the class, it's tutorial. You give me answers. You are saying no. Why you are saying no? Oriel is said we failed to we failed to reject H naught. He just said that. Yeah, yes, yes. True, pretty. Yes, Candy. Candy. Then that means we cannot do number 3. Even if we do number 3, then we are going to get the same thing. To say the mean are not statistically different. Now let's go to this one. The following table shows kilometers of 4 different cars and 3 different brands of gas. This is BP brand. BP or what? This is one brand. Yeah, you can choose any brand. Just name 3. Then the questions are the same as this ones. The questions are the same as this ones. Now let's work this one. Pretty, you are done. Give me the answers. Give me the ANOVA. ANOVA, the SS, the sum of squares. All the sum of squares. Pretty, give me all the sum of squares. Pretty. No, all means from SS total until the SS treatment. All.
Sir, I need clarity. The hypothesis of the block and the continuation does not determine anything for the pairwise comparison.
Blessing. Remember, oh blessing. Remember that for you to test for the comparison, you remember for you to test for the comparison, you must make sure that the treatments are different. You remember, blessing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for you to do the comparison, the treatment must be different. Now we got that the treatment are not different. That's why we are not doing the comparison.
Okay, no, like I understood that one, just that like I wanted to be very sure that we don't check anything on the blocks.
Oh, blessing. We are doing the treatment and the comparison,
Okay,
not the
understood.
block.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, there is somebody talking behind you, blessing, and it's like a female there.
No, I am at the labs, so people are talking.
Oh, okay. No, that means if you are in the lab, you are safe. Life is very
Yes.
short, blessing. Don't commit yourself in uncommitted things. It's for us. This is just the same as the first one. This is just the same as the first one. You have cars, where cars, they are using different types of gas, which is petrol. Then cars will be your treatment. Then brands will be your blocks.
Sir, are we gonna have a case where these things are gonna be swiped, where we are gonna just need to apply our knowledge and see which one might be the treatment or the blocks, or all the time we're gonna get this kind of structure.
I think if you check with the examples that we did in class, we were not having something like this. Something like this, if you remember. We had different interpretation, where under that we had students doing the to find the salaries. The other one, it was the filters, if you remember. Those are the examples. But this one is very clear that you have cars, they use different brands of petrol or of gas. Then that means your gas, the brand will be blocks, and the cars will be a treatment. That means we are applying those gases on the cars. That is how it is. There are three different. Yes. Ezekiel. Ezekiel, I'm on the second problem, but I have a question about the F calculated. Okay, we'll come to it. I did not, I'm not yet there. Did you find this from the first question? Let me go back. Go back on the first question. How much did they get? Okay. Yes, we got that as total. We got that as total. To answer you, Ezekiel, we got that as total. Edwin, you are saying SS treatment. Okay, you were answering him. Oh, you were answering him. It's okay. How come? Oh, F treatment is how come? No, the F treatment, we got it from calculating the first one, which is, we said, I think tabulated. Oh, tabulated. Oh, tabulated. Oh, you're talking about tabulated. Yeah, that means we must, okay, we must go back. Yeah, talk among yourselves, solve for him, assist him.
Say I gonna be in the office after this tutorial, like I need clarity on some things here.
Ezekiel, is he?
Sir, I was still asking you, are you around in the office? Like, I want to ask something.
Yeah, I'm in the office, but now is tutorial. You can come tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Tomorrow morning?
Okay, I will come if I don't get it.
Yeah, then Ezekiel is asking, it says LSD on the first question. Are we doing LSD on the first question, ladies and gentlemen? And why? Now let's do this one. The following table shows no. Yeah. Murunga, you're right. We don't do that because of the treatment are not different, are the same. Yes, we fail to reject. The third question seems to be demanding us to do, but thanks. Okay, let's go to, no, we don't, this is just a question. Because if I don't include this question, people will say there is no pairwise. But let's do the following table shows the kilometers and so forth. I want all the values under the sources, sum of squares. Can you give me the sum of squares? Ezekiel, Ezekiel, Ezi. For now, we don't do that. But if they require you for blocks, yes, you'll divide by treatment. Ladies and gentlemen, do you get what Oriel got? Do you agree with Oriel? Okay. Okay. Then what will be the F ratio? The F ratio for the treatment and F ratio for the blocks? Do you agree with Edwin? Do you agree with Edwin? Edwin, I want treatment, the F for ratio for treatment and F ratio for blocks. Oh yeah, yes. Then what will be the critical value for the treatment and critical value for the blocks? Okay, the critical value, not the F ratio. The critical value. Okay, okay, the critical value. Do you agree with Stephen about the critical value that is 4.76? Then, Pretty, what are you going to do on the treatment? Are you going to reject that the means are different, or you are going to fail to reject? Pretty. We reject. Then what is the conclusion? What is the conclusion? Pretty. Where is Candy? She was giving me answers. Candy. But where is Manya? Eh? Let me check whether he's there or not there. Tavis is not there. Tavis, so you are not there. Do you all agree with Pretty? Do you agree with Pretty? Then since you said yes, do we have to do the LSD? Yes, yeah, since you said yes, continue with LSD. Are you winning? I need a conclusion. I need a conclusion. Do you agree with Stephen? Do you agree with him, Tatamalim? Blessing, you're not answering. Blessing, blessing. Lisiwa, Karabo.
Yeah, so for conclusion,
Yes.
The difference between mean one, the first mean car one, and also for car two. We
Yes.
found out that the difference is 7.767, which is greater
Okay.
than LSD. Therefore, it is significantly different.
Okay. The second one.
And the second one, the difference between the first mean of car one and car three, we found out that it is 1.667, which is less than LSD, which means they are significantly the same.
Okay. Yes.
Then the third one, the
Mm-hmm.
mean of car one, the difference between mean car one and 4, we found out
Mm-hmm.
that it is 0.367. Therefore, they are significantly the same.
Yeah.
Which
Yeah. Thank you very
then
much. Don't continue. Just reserve it. Just breathe in and breathe out, because you might give them all your answers. Just relax. Let me take Lisiwa. No, okay, it's you. Stephen. Stephen.
Oh, sir.
Stevie.
Sir,
Yes.
I wanted to ask, or is it all right if, like, we denote a significantly different car as Tana?
To denote something to be
Yeah, if
significantly
like the two
different
means
with a
are,
star.
yeah, if the difference between the two means are greater than the LSD, is it okay if we put a star so that it to denote, okay, they are significantly different?
Just write significantly different.
All
Uh,
right.
yeah, no, don't be lazy to write. Just write everything. Don't worry about the pen that you are losing the ink. You will buy another one. Yes, TV.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yeah, no, I think right now it's time up because I did not give you 10 minutes break. Now it's 20 past. 20 past 4. Thank you very much. The rest you'll do them and you'll consult tomorrow if you want to consult. Thank you very much.